What happened yesterday was nothing less than a miracle. I lost my phone. I lost my entire pouch. Um, it fell down, and then the military found it, and they gave it to Hotel 65. And we were very sad, and you know, very sad about the idea that the pouch has been lost. And then we were on our way to Roing, and then suddenly, we stopped at a place somewhere to take a break, and then from behind us came a military bag, and they said that, "Have you lost a bag?" So we said yes. So they said that the bag they found, the military van has found the bag, and they have kept it at the Hotel 65. Hotel 65 is a place near Mayudia on the top, where we had had some food, and they recognized us. They took out the Aadhaar card from the pouch, and they showed it to the hotel people, and they said, "Have you seen these people?" And they also recognized us. They said they just had a meal and went. So they gave the bag to them. They checked all the contents of the bag. They gave the bag to them and said that they are going to Anini, which is on the opposite side of Roing, and that they will return in 2 days, and they will check whether the bag is still there or not. And if it is, then they will take the bag with them, and they will courier it to the address that is mentioned in the Aadhaar card. Amazing thing happened. But we didn't know all this. So once we reached Roing, we took a shower, we booked a hotel, took a shower and everything. And then we were thinking what to do. So we went downstairs and booked a car. It was a bit expensive, but it was worth it. So we booked a car because we only had two options. One was, next day, take the motorcycles, go back up all the way to Hotel 65, which would not have been fun because it is a grueling ride. And on top of that, we've already seen the place, right? So we took a car, same night, that is yesterday night, and went all the way up there. 3 hours of drive up there. We took the bag, had dinner, came back, 3 hours drive back down, went off to sleep. And today, we are on our way to Hayuliang. Can you believe it? A bag full of money, ID cards, debit cards, credit cards, an iPhone, and we got it safe and sound in the middle of nowhere, back into our hands. Unbelievable place, amazing people, amazing armed forces, military people, and I have them to thank. They were the ones who helped me out. And if there is a way that I could send a message to the armed forces, to the military, for their integrity, honesty, and organizing skills, I would. So, cheers to the Indian Army.